We got the best 2 deals plus clearance at Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hit the like, hit the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes, so help out this channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and start here with your choice here for $99. And then you got the buy one, get one free with this roofing nailer. Get some roofing nails. You got some kitchen stuff there, and you guys could go over that on your own. This is a tool channel, and this is new. This is actually something new. They got the riding mower lift, $379. So this is a really nice lift. Never seen this before. I don't know if they had it online or not, but never at the stores. So pretty nice lift there. You are able to see the mower from the bottom. It's actually the first time I ever see a mower, a riding mower from the bottom. So that's what it looks like. And then you got the belt there that drives everything. $6.99 for the Eagle Power Select Cut. So this is top of the line Eagle, down from $8.99 to $6.99. So it's a pretty good deal on that one. Yeah, it is top of the line. And then if you guys, excuse me, if you guys look at the other models, you got $7.49 for the mid grade, you know, the middle range, and then $6.49 for the lower, which is just a push mower. So that tells you, you know, how good the sale is. They got a whole bunch of tractors today. So this one's $24.49 from $25.99, 22 horsepower. I guess it's on sale, so be sure to check that one out. They got some more over there. I'm not gonna go over all of them. You got telescoping power scrubber. Now this scrubber is very different from the Ryobi one. If you guys look at here, it does travel in 2 different directions. So it gives you, you know, like a counterpart there, so it's not going all over the place. It's $159. It is the kit, so it does come with battery and charger. I already got some clearance here. Balance 2 cycle trimmer, 25cc, down to 104 from 149. Yeah, this is gonna drop down even lower because there's a lot of them here. $263 and from $329. This is a chainsaw, 16-inch gas chainsaw from Husqvarna. All right, so you got a 20-inch for $359. You got an 18-inch for $287. Not bad at all. It's pretty good deals. Then you got that 16-inch for $263. So lots of good deals on these guys. These are solid machines. They'll last forever. And then you got the Husqvarna blower here, down to $279 from $349. Pretty good deal. Backpack blower. And then you got this. It's like a mesh basket, $16 on clearance. Maybe you could use it for the car. You know, organize your trunk or something. Nice. You got a rack here, a 5-tier rack. I'm trying to. I'm shopping for a 5-tier rack, about anywhere from around 40 inches, 48 inches. So if you guys know of a good one that's, you know, not obviously not crazy expensive, let us know in the comment section, or if you have a link or something. Well, actually, you guys can't post links, but let us know in the comment section the name of it, and I'll look for it. So yeah, got the edger blade, $5. This is the clearance section, by the way. All sorts of air filters. What else we have? We have a fastening tool. This is a T1000. It sounds like the Terminator. This is the professional hammer tacker. $25, down from $39. You got a trigger tool. That's the T1000 for $38, down from $54. You got a temperature glue gun, $11. Insulated cable staple gun for $28.07. So a lot of these are not here, just a staple gun. So you guys do see it made in the USA. Then you got the nails, the drive pins that they call them, powder drive pins. So that is the pin washer with washer 3-inch. And then they got the 5.5 amp drill from Black & Decker, $32, down from $40. So it's a 3/8 5. Or I got the Pro Series wood pellet cover. So you guys could use this on pretty much anything that's around this size. So $24, that's a pretty good deal. These are the 22 caliber for that nailer that I was telling you guys, like the concrete nailer. You guys could do wood and concrete brick and all that stuff. That is another model that you guys could buy. This is a nicer model. a little bit more expensive. It's the P2201. And then that's what it looks like. It is DeWalt. Alright, so you got a freezer. This is a camel freezer. So be careful with this one because it might disappear. You know, it disappear. You can't find it because it's camouflage. Alright, so $19.99. You got the 80-gallon 2-stage air compressor. And then you got the 16-gallon air compressor for $8.99. So this is 175 max PSI, 60 gallons. And that is the smaller one here for a 30-gallon portable 175 PSI for $5.99, $100 off. So pretty nice, good brand, Craftsman, made in the USA with global materials. You got Metabo HPT. This is a gas wheelbarrow style compressor for $13.99. It is a gallon, so that's something you're gonna install in the work. $19.98 for some clear safety glasses, and you got some nice gloves, mechanics gloves. You can almost use these for the power sports, you know, riding on a motorcycle and all that stuff, because they look pretty nice. And then nobody's gonna know they're for working, right? You got the tank here for $1.99, down from $2.49. It's a 6-gallon pancake compressor from HPT, Metabo HPT. $1.59 down from $1.79. It's a Cobalt Quiet Tech compressor. It seems like they have one back there. That's what it looks like. So it's the black ones. It's the Quiet series. $49.98 for this 18-inch 2-inch brad nailer. It's on sale. 5-year warranty. You got the buy one and get one free HPT 18-volt cordless nailer. You get a free 36-volt 2-amp-hour lithium 2 battery. You got a brad nailer, $99. Metabo 2-inch brad nailer, $99. I don't know if it's the same one. It looks the same. You got a 100-footer by 1/4 inch, $32. And then you got a 50-footer for $23.98. These are all on sale, only lower price. And then you got the 10-gallon cooler, $54, down from $59. And then you got the smaller one, which I did not see a price on, but I did see the price on this 52-quart ice chest for $39.98. Does have some nice cup holders on the top. It is igloo. Gunmetal chrome mechanics tool set, $89, down from $98. Yes, yeah, that's actually a pretty nice kit. It is like basically a chrome gunmetal style. You got a 4-piece or 5-piece combo kit here for $149 on clearance, down from $199. Oscillating tool, a speaker, drill driver, impact driver. You got this drill driver for $49 and this impact driver for $59. It's already sold out, this one, but you are able to find it at your store. This, you got the buy one get one free. Is a killer deals, guys, especially if you want to stock up on these you know, tools, because some of these are actually the same charger or compatible with your 18 volts. They will not work together, but the chargers will charge these batteries, just to clarify that. So you buy any of the tools on the left, any of the kits, you get a free tool on the right. Obviously the impact wrenches, you got the 1/2 inch and the 3/8 impact wrench, the oscillating tool, 100 reciprocators, the 5-amp-hour battery, the lights. So you got a whole bunch of tools to choose from. I got a 21-piece black and gold drill bit set, 55-piece dry bit set for $24. Mechanics 88-piece, $89.98. It's very similar to the other one, but this one's not gunmetal. As in price, I mean, not similar. 47-piece screwdriver bit set, $18.98. And then you got a 14-piece gold oxide for $14.98. It's a really nice set here. Some nut drivers, socket adapters, a bit holder, and some 2-inch bits, lots of 1-inch bits, Robertson's flats, Phillips, all sorts of bits there. You got the sizes there for the black and gold drill bits, and it is a 14-piece. Wood, metal. Crescent Lufkin Shock Force Night Eye G2 2-pack 25-foot tape measure, and get a free chalk, wheel chalk. So that's pretty nice. You get something for free. It's still available. Got the router table and clearance for $179, down from $249. We saw this at the other store as well. $19.98 down from $39. So we did see this one as well too. You got the utility knife, $807, down from $898. Already sold out. Linux folding auto Loading knife for $13. Pretty nice. You got this one on clearance. Craftsman Random Orbit Polisher, 51 down from 64. 3-year warranty, 10-inch. That's the way it looks, the machine. $349 for the Flex 4-tool combo kit, brushless combo kit from $399. So it's down $50, down to the 26th of this month. You got all the buy ones get one free. You guys could get buy any of the 2-tool combo kits or 4-tool combo kits. Get a free bare tool. That's a killer deal on that one. That one runs down to August the 2nd. So round down and get them. That's a good deal. Plus, well, with all the discounts that they're offering as of this, it's pretty good. Pretty good deal for $349. Getting an extra free tool. Choice of a Bosch 18-bolt 4-tool combo kit. Get 2-tool combo kit or 2-tool combo kit. Get a 4-amp-hour battery. So you get to buy a 4 or a 2-tool combo kit and get a free tool. Apex sockets, $649 clearance. Did not see them. Job site radio for $199 down from $229. This is actually a really nice radio. This is actually one of the best radios out there. If you guys look here on the side, it does have a pass-through, and then it does have a place for the cell phone to charge it, and to put the 3mm cord there, and then the battery on the back. Pretty nice. Alright, so we got some clearance here for the heavy duty deep cut variable speed bandsaw. Now this is corded. It's a 4 3/4 deep cut. That's the way it looks. This thing's a beast. It's really big. It's huge. So you guys look at the reciprocating saw on the side. It makes it look really small. Alright, so you got impact drivers. So compact high torque. $69 on clearance, down from $139. That's a really good deal on that one. Professional level tool. And drill driver. And then you got the half-inch impact wrench for $74. Circular saw. This is a brushless 6.5 for $69, down from $139. Then this one for $79. And then you got the triple hammer here. $299. That's a triple hammer kit. Down from $169. You got the drill driver kit for $79, down from $149. Metabo 36-volt 4-amp-hour battery starter kit. Get a free tool of 36-volt tool. 7.25 circular saw, the multi-bolt. That is it for today. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.